Okay, here we go. All right, guys. Progressive verb tenses. The tense of a verb, remember, is an action word. A verb is an action word. Helps tell when something is happening. So progressive tenses show actions that continue or are ongoing. They combined a form of helping verb form of the helping verb be with a main verb that ends in ing. So the actual verb, the main verb of the sentence, will not change. It will be the helping verb that changes, such as she is walking in the woods today. That shows a present tense, okay? It's something that is happening right now. It shows continuing action in the present. Use the present tense of be. Use am with the pronoun I. Use is with he, she, it, and singular nouns. Use are with we, you, they, and plural nouns. So I am walking with a friend. The sun is shining. We are strolling. See how they use the I am walking with a friend. The sun is shining and we are strolling. That is present tense. That's something that is happening right now. When we look at past progressive tense, this is something that has already happened. To show continuing action in the past, use the past tense of be. Use was with I, he, she, it, and singular nouns, and use were with we, you, they, and plural nouns. She was walking yesterday. It's already happened. The birds were chirping. Future progressive tense. To show action in the future, you use the future tense of be. I will be coming back tomorrow. It's something that hasn't happened yet, but will. It will be happening. Looking at the guided practice, it says to write the correct form of the verb in parentheses to show continuing action in each sentence. Remember to always take a look at the hint. It says look for time words, words that show time, and phrases such as yesterday, now, and next week to show when the action takes place. Okay, so that they're giving us a hint as to what we are to look for. Okay, so it says to write the correct form of the verb in parentheses to show continuing action in each sentence. Okay, our scout troop verb that we will be using is going on a hike next week. So our scout troop will be going. Next week shows something that's going to be happening in the future. We know that we have to use the will be. Our scout troop will be going on a hike next week. Number 2 says, I, using that verb, packing last night to get ready for the trip. Okay, so last night is our time word that's going to help us. It is something that already happened. It happened last night. So that would be the past, in the past. I, we know, is a singular verb, or noun, I'm sorry. So we have to use was. I was packing last night to get ready for the trip. Number 3, right now being those key words, something that is happening in the present. I wondering about the weather forecast. We got to look at the present. If we are talking about a singular noun, let's see, use am with a pronoun I. So I am wondering about the weather forecast. Number 4, at the moment. So something that is happening right now. That is something in the present again. It blank was very cold. Raining. At the moment, it blanked and very cold. So we have to look here. In the present, what would we be using? Okay. The sun is shining. At the moment, it is raining and very cold. It is raining and very cold. So make sure you have these answers down. And when you get done, I want you to go back onto the back and I want you to complete numbers 1 through 5. For numbers 1 through 5, you need to choose which words should replace the underlined part of the sentence to make it correct. Remember to use those helping hints to help you get the correct answer. I'll give you the hint for the first one. Yesterday. Good luck. Make sure you turn it in to the basket with your name, and then you may get a book to free read.